Good evening, students. So areas related to circle, exercise 12.3, last 5 sums. Okay, so if we do the last 5 sums, the chapter is completed. So already out of 16 sums I completed 14. So now I told you that question number 6 I left the pending. So question number 6, so the remaining questions are very important board questions. So listen to the video carefully. Question number 6, find the in a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter. A design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle. So question number 6, exercise 12.3. A circle leaving an equilateral triangle. A design is formed. There are 3 designs, okay? So this equilateral triangle A, B, C. This is 60 degree equilateral triangle. So this is equilateral. This is equilateral triangle, and this is said to be you guys know that this is minus segment. How many minus segments are there? There are 3 minus segments are there. So how many minus segments are there? 3 minus segments are there. So what is the formula for? So 3 minus segments na 3 into area of minor segments. So 3 into area of minor segment formula, theta by 360 into pi r square minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 r square. What are the things I know? Theta value. Is it the segment comes from here? No. The segment comes from the blue color. Okay. I already told you in the introduction video. The segment is a distance between the region covered between the chord and the arc. Or one more formula I told you that in a sector, a equilateral triangle is taken out. The equilateral triangle should come from here, not from point A. So we need this angle. So in class 9 standard, you guys have learned in circle chapter angle subtended theorem. So you can refer your class 9 standard textbook, angle subtended theorem, in your circle chapter. Angle subtended theorem. If this is 60 degree, this is double 120 degree. So therefore the very important point is theta value is not the 60 degree, 120 degree, and the radius value is given in the textbook itself, 32 centimeter. Okay, theta value, please I repeat one more time. In your class 9, the angle subtended theorem circle chapter, if this is 60 degree, this will be double 120 degree, because the segment region should come from the center, not from the point A. Now mere substitution of the values. There are one more method also there, but this is the easiest method. Theta value is 120. So thrice theta value 120 upon 360 pi value. So pi value 22 upon 7. 22 upon 7, radius value 32 into 32. The entire sum I will do for you guys. Okay, sin theta by 2, that is 120 upon 2, cos theta value 120 upon 2, radius value 32 into 32. So calculations. So thrice this will cancel, 1 upon 3 times 22 upon 7 times 32 into 32, you will get 1024. So this is 1024 minus sin 60. This is sin 60 value. This is cos 60 value. This is 1024. Therefore, if you multiply 3 inside, 3 into 122 by 7 into 1024 minus 3 I multiply pannitena. I multiply 3 inside. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2, cos 60 value 1 by 2 into 1024. The final answer I got is, this is the final answer. Therefore, so if you cancel now, the final answer is 22528. 22528 upon 7 minus 768 root 3 centimeter square. Question number 7 I already completed. Now question number 8. Question number 8 I told you I will teach you last. I will give you the homework because it's a lengthy sum. It's a basic components only. Area of a square, area of a rectangle, area of a semicircle only. So you guys can think at least one question, because all the questions I'm teaching, at least one question you guys can think. Okay, well, question number till 7 I completed. All the sums are board questions. So keep in mind that not to waste your time. Okay, well, see my video and then calculate yourself. Question number 7 completed. Question number 8 I'll teach you later. Question number 9 is a very, very important board question. Many times they asked you. So a circle, diameter, there are two diameters, and there is a segment. There is a segment region, and this also a segment region. Segment 1, segment 2, and they asked you to find the area of a circle. So what are the shaded portions they asked you to find out? 3 shaded portions. One is, this is said to be minor segment. This is said to be minor segment. This is said to be circle. But in board examinations, they will ask you this question. Okay, they will ask you, board examination, they will ask you this question. Now you guys, homework is this one. How to find which area matches which one. This I am doing, this you can do. Okay, what are the things are given? So now, they are given a diameter, OA equal to 7 centimeter. What is OA? OA is 7. This is O, this is A. OA 7 centimeter. The entire, okay, 7. Then find the region, area of a shaded region. Okay, so theta value is 94 quadrants, right? So given first theta equal to 90. Radius for the segment is 7. Radius for the circle, diameter 7, radius 7 by 2. Now therefore finally I got final area of a circle plus area of 2 minor segments. Formula pi r square plus 2 into minor segment formula. Minor segment theta by 360 into pi r square minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 r square. Now therefore substitute the values. Pi, there is no pi value. Everything is given you. This is the radius of a circle. So 22 upon 7 into radius. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 whole square. That's okay. 2 theta value 90 upon 360 pi 22 upon 7 radius 7 into 7. Radius for the segment is 7. Radius for the circle is 7 by 2 minus sin. Why it is 45 degree? 90 by 2 na 45. This is 45. R square na 7 square. So the basic calculation parts you can do and you can find out the value. The final answer is 66.5 centimeter square. 66.5 centimeter square. Concept I have given you, sum side. Done. Question number 10. So question number 10. So ABC. So the area of an equilateral triangle. So given is this triangle is equilateral triangle. So automatically the degree will be 60 degree. What's the region they are asking us to find out? They are asking us to find out this region. Okay. What is given? Area is 17320.5. Area of equilateral triangle is 17320.5 centimeter square. Okay. With each vertex of a triangle as a center, a circle is drawn with a radius equal to the half of the length of the side. So we need to find out radius equal to half of the length of the side of a triangle. So our motto is to find out side of a triangle. How to find the triangle? Area of a triangle formula is root 3 by 4 a square, equilateral triangle 17320.5. Okay, va? So root 3 value given, pi value is given. Root 3 value also given, pi value also given. Okay. So now A square equal to 17320.5 times reciprocal 4 by root 3. So A square equal to 17320.5 into 4 upon root 3 value 1.7325. 1.73205. Therefore, finally, I got A square equal to what? And A value. A square and the A value. So the A square value is 400. And therefore, finally, if you calculate now, A square equal to 400, and the side of equilateral triangle is side of a equilateral triangle. I think 4 lakhs. I think get side of a equilateral triangle is 200 centimeter. 4 into 10 to the power 0. Correct. 200 centimeter. Apna radius equal to half of the side. Apna half into 200. So 100 centimeter. Radius is 100 centimeter. The concept is area of finally the concept is area of a shaded region equal to area of equilateral triangle minus 3 area of sector. Or equilateral triangle is 3 sector value. Equilateral triangle 2 3 by 4 A square. 3 sector theta by 360 into pi r square. Equilateral triangle area already given 17320.5 minus 3 theta value 60 upon 360 pi value given pi value 3.14 pi value 3.14 radius value now only found 100 into 100. The final calculations, therefore you got the answer 1620.5 centimeter square. Calculate slowly. I have given you the entire concept. Question number 11 completed. Question number 12. Question number 10 completed. Question number 11. On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs. 9 circular designs of radius 7 centimeter for each circle. So, question number 11. There is a square. Inside a square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles are there. Each circle radius 7. Radius is 7. Apna diameter 14. So they asked you to find out this region. Suppose side 14 plus 14 plus 14. 42 centimeter. Okay, so the concept is area of a square minus area of 9 circles. Square. A square minus 9 into circle pi r square. Side 42 centimeter minus 9 into 22 by 7 into radius 7 into 7. Therefore, finally you got the answer is like this 378 centimeter square. 42 square. 42 into 52, right? So finally I got 378 centimeter square. Question number 12. OACB is a quadrant of a circle. Okay, a quadrant. So OA, B, C is a quadrant. Quadrant na automatically the theta value is 90. And they asked us to remove the equilateral triangle. So for concept in area of quadrant minus area of right angle triangle. It's a normal concept. Quadrant. So radius is 3.5 centimeter. OD equal to 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. OA radius on the 3.5. So for radius value 3.5. Okay, so concept. Theta by 360 into pi r square minus half into base into height. Theta value. Quadrant na 90 by 360, 22 by 7 radius. 3.5 into 3.5 minus half into base 3.5 height 2. So the normal calculation, you got the answer is 6.125 centimeter square. Question number 13. So in the figure, there is a quadrant again. There is a square inside. Okay, the alphabets Q, P, O, B, C, and they asked us to find out this one. So common sense, area of a quadrant minus area of a square, formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus square a square. We know theta value, yes, 90 degree. Our radius value given the question, whether radius value is given the question, OA equal to 20 centimeter. OA is a radius? No, OA is not the radius. It's a side of a square. This is side of a square. So side equal to 20 centimeter. Radius, we don't know the radius. So the important concept, to find the radius OP, draw a hypotenuse. So this is also radius only, right? OP also radius. This also radius. This also from distance. O from distance. Okay. O from to here. From O to here. From O to here. It's OB. So OB equal to radius. Out to find the OB. Okay. So OB equal to radius abdina. So that's a right angle. BAO. This is 20. Automatic side. Ella side mein. So all the sides are 20. So kandipa Pythagoras theorem use panna, you will get OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. Therefore OB value sure you will get 20 root 2. Okay, so OB value is 20 root 2 na. That's a radius, is otherwise called as radius of a quadrant. Hence, therefore everything data is clear. So theta by 360 into pi r square minus side theta value 90 upon 360, 22 by 7 radius 20 root 2 into 20 root 2 r square. A square na side of a square is 20 into 20. Any root 2 value is given. Cross check, any root 2 value is given. No, pi value 3.14. So finally you substitute, you get 228 centimeter square. 228 centimeter square. The pi value is 3.14. Question number 14 already completed. Now we move on to the last two questions. Question number 15 and 16 are very important board questions. Question number 15 and the 16. 15th one. So I will draw the diagram. They asked us to find out this region. This ABC. Okay. So the shortcuts. There are shortcuts for this sum. First, I will divide the two portions. Okay. This is first part, second part. This is third part. So case 1. I will draw this one. This also. Okay. Otherwise, I will put first part, second part. First part diagram. Case 2. This alone. Now, case number 1. Area of the quadrant minus triangle. I will get the first part. Area of the semicircle minus first part. I will get the remaining shaded portion. I repeat. Case number 1. Area of the quadrant minus right angle triangle. I will get the first portion region. Second. These are important. Area of semicircle minus first region. I will get the second part. Think twice. Area of a quadrant minus the triangle. I will get the first region. Area of a semicircle minus the first part. I will get the second region. Now, what are the things are given in this question? Then it will be easy for you to calculate. So, first one given. ABC is a quadrant. So, theta value 90. Radius 14 centimeter. Semicircle. Okay. So, they given you quadrant. Quadrant now theta value is 90. Radius 14 centimeter. Radius 14 centimeter. Semicircle உடைய radius வேணும். அப்பனா hypotenuse வேணும். Okay. So ஒவ்வொண்ணா பார்க்கலாம். இப்போ case 1. Case 1 என்னது? Quadrant. Theta by 360 into pi r square minus half into base into height. ஏன்னா first triangle. Theta value. 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius 14 into 14 minus half into 14 into 14 half base into height. Therefore, I think you'll get the answer. So I'll put the calculations, okay, for this sum. So the first portion region is, I got 22 into 7, I think 154. Am I done correctly? Yes. 154 minus 98. 256. First portion region is 56 centimeters square. Now case 2. What I told you, case 2, area of a semicircle minus first region. Semicircle. Half into pi r square minus first region எவ்வளவு? 56. Half into 22 by 7 into radius of a semicircle. தெரியாது. So radius of a semicircle. முதல்ல இது பேர் என்னது? diameter. diameter இன்னொரு பேர் hypotenuse. இது 14, இது 14 னா கண்டிப்பா பித்தாகரஸ் தியரம்ல okay 14 னா இது பித்தாகரஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணா 14 root 2. So the entire diameter is 14 root 2. அதாவது diameter வந்து 14 root 2 னா radius value 7 root 2. 7 root 2 into 7 root 2 minus 56. Finally I got 22 by 14 into இது வந்து 49 into 2 ஆ மாறும். So 7 table 2, 7 table 7, 7 2 2. So 154 minus 56, I got 98 centimeter square. 90 வருமா? 94 வருமா? 98. Yes. So your answer is correct. So last question, 16th one. So question number 8 is your maths homework, and then remaining all the sums I have given you the idea. So do it carefully and finish it off. Okay, va? Now question number 16, last question of the chapter. They asked us to find out the area of the design which they are given you like this. So I will divide again the diagram into two pieces, case 1, case 2. Visualize the diagram, okay? The first case is, I will take this portion. Second portion, visualize the diagram. This diagram is very important diagram. Visualize. I will take this diagram. This is portion number 1 and 2. 1, 2. If you add 1 and 2, you will get the design. So first case 1. This is the area of a sector right angle triangle. Pola sum panna mari. Ingeyum. Area of a sector. So in the portion, okay. Sector right angle triangle. So in the right angle triangle. Sector right angle triangle. So ellame theta value 90. Radius 8. Radius value 8 centimeter. So polama. So first one. So you get the value. So dear students, due to the time consumption, I have written the answer till now. I told the concept. Dear me, I have written the answer directly because I want to revise you. So I told you that first portion I have drawn a hypotenuse from a quadrant minus right angle triangle. This one from a quadrant minus right angle triangle. Two designs I got. If you add two designs now, the entire required region will come. So this is area of a sector minus area of right angle triangle. Sector minus right angle triangle. Sector formula, right angle triangle formula. So theta value is quadrant on 90 degree. Radius value they given me 88. Already they given me 88. So in mere substitution I got one portion is 128 upon 7 now. The other portion also 128 by 7. 128 by 7, 128 by 7. 256 by 7 centimeter square. So see the video carefully. So all the sums of this chapter I have completed. Now I have to revise you the areas related to circle. 8th sum, that's your part, that's you do, and then you can put in the comment box that 8th sum doubt now. That's a track sum. It's a lengthy sum. The only thing is rectangle and then area of a semicircle. Okay, rectangle, semicircle. You do it and finish it off. So 8th sum is a maximum mark. So the final revision of areas related to circle. That is first important portion is area of a sector. Now that means that minus sector. Then they will ask you area of major sector, and second one length of the arc theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Third one area of minor segment. Area of a minor segment, or they will ask you to find out area of a major segment. And fourth one area between two regions. Area between two regions. So which one minus which one? And then exercise 12, the final exercise, all the final 7 or 8 sums. 8 sums are board exam questions. I have given you one important board question also. I have given you that how to find the area of this region. I told you that your part. Then question number, the important 6th point is formulas. Okay, all the formulas write once and twice, so it will be easy to calculate all the values. So you students can do better, calculate, finish it off. You can and you will refer my channel Mohan-Class Magic. Then all the entire chapter has been explained in this channel. Thanks a lot. You can and you will. If you have any doubts, you can put in the chat box or comment box and explain you. Thanks a lot.